part 2 of blue jeans because I have a problem. These are Willow and Root from Buckle, the dad jean, and let me tell you, you need them because, yeah, super comfortable. And of course, who doesn't love like a super awesome jacket? Also from Buckle. And these, last but not least, are Hidden brand, again, from Buckle. Jacket, like hoodie jacket from Buckle, because this is what you're catching me in this fall. And don't forget, we are bringing the OG slip-on Birkenstocks all the way back this season. Been waiting on it for like 15 years. They're back. OGs. Oh yeah. Love it.